Hi, it's Grace from the Angels of Grace, and today I want to talk to you about an amazing way to help you with anxiety. What I mean by that is at the moment we're feeling a little bit anxious, we're feeling a little bit stressed with what's going on, whether it's our economy, our environment, our home, our families, things like that. So let me introduce you to the crystal kit for anxiety or the crystal bracelet for anxiety. So what I mean by that is it's so much easier and faster to feel calm and peace within seconds. So it's much easier than having to find a place to unwind and relax, especially if you're still on the run and you're still going, you're still working and things like that. So I wanted to share with you some of the crystals that actually come in the, whether the bracelet or the kit. So in it we have rhodonite. So rhodonite reduces emotional imbalance. You got hematite. Hematite harmonizes the mind. You got jade. Jade is the ultimate stone to feel calm and serenity. You've also got howlite. It's calm, it calms the overall mind, because sometimes it can be a little bit of a chitty chatter, negative mind. And of course you've got the amethyst, which helps relieve the stress and brings calm and contentment. But what I love about it is it comes in the kit, like I said, or the bracelet. So with the kit, it comes in such a great size, so it's easier to carry, whether you pocket, backpack, bag, purse. Some women pop it in their bra. You could pop it on under your pillow, your bedside table. But if you don't want to have loose crystals, that's where I recommend the bracelet. So as you can see, I'm wearing it as well today, But what I love about either the bracelet or the kit is the crystals that are in them. They're all in it to be, used together and to amplify the energy to help you with anxiety. So when you put all the same crystals together for one particular reason, it actually helps. So before you get them, what I do is, I know in times like now, everything has to be contactless, and things like that. So what I do is I make sure I have minimum to no contact with them directly. I then cleanse them in a singing crystal bowl. I also smudge them with white sage. So when they come to you, you can hold them in your hand and put a great intention and use them straight away. So as I said, it's fantastic. It's a fast way to help you with anxiety, is either the bracelet or the kit itself. So yes, I do sell them on my online store, and I'll make sure I put the link below for you to click onto. But if you have any questions or if you want some more information, please feel free to send me an email. I am more than happy to help you out. So I thank you, and I hope this has helped. My name is Grace, and may you find your angel. Hi, if you like the content, subscribe to my channel and make sure that you click the bell to be notified when new videos come out. But before you go, you need to watch these next few videos all about the different crystals and their benefits. Thank you, and may you find your angel.